Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Edmondson Park. Today is the first day of operation for the South West Rail Link. Righto, I'll just say the very long list of people who requested this vlog, starting with JLL, Hungry Bone Gaming, Lachlan Walsh, Hambone H, Chris Labruey, Ainsley Yunyi, Cutlass 22974, Sonic Buster X2000, Anthony Azzopardi, Leland Fraser, The Bus of Doom FSX, Dean Bennett, Tim Pout, Justin Lai, James Tan, Deborah Lim, Sand Shark 23, Grant Adams, Sydney Trains Lover 117, Lachlan Black, Liam Higgs, Angus Lawrence, Drugters, Chris Gomez, Ruben Silvera, New South Wales Public Transportation Vlogs, Sydney Trains Lover, Luke Singh, Riley EF, Mike Blubber, Debbie Tanner, Luke Volsig, Mini Miners, Darcy Reynolds, William Belcher, James the Trainer, Carl 2901, Transport Around Sydney Vlogs, Vel Koronuski, Frosty TB, Matthew Veloso, Sam Limmy, Thomas Bulick, Forever Gaming, Matthew Reed, Voyager the Second, Wilton Martin, Sydney Aviation, Opal Kid, Transit Sydney, Jude Gaming 18, Sydney Trains on Location, Transport Vlogs for Sydney, Henry Lim, T Sydney Trains Vlogs, Joey Copeland, Banana Boat, and Susan Jeekings. We've got M6 now departing platform 2 for a Leppington service, stopping Leppington only. There we go, sorry about the light guys.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Leppington only.
We've got a Liverpool service arriving into platform 1, M6 is the set.
The train on platform 1 goes to Liverpool. First stop, Glenfield and then Liverpool.
In bad lighting, we have M6 departing platform 1 for a Liverpool service, stopping at Glenfield and Liverpool only.
The train on platform 1 goes to Liverpool. First stop, Glenfield and then Liverpool.
Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Sorry to keep it short, the lighting is really bad at the moment. I'll come back on a weekday though. So yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all for watching, bye for now.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Liverpool. First stop, Glenfield and then Liverpool.